Honda CR-V 2012 to 2017 version. Installed for Cogoo Android Plus, IPS screen, 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen, 10.1 inch player with special OEM casing for Honda CR-V and OEM Canbus socket plug and play. So the original double signal, will move on top with change to the new double signal. Special. Okay, OEM socket plug and play. Connect original reverse camera. Back to normal. Okay, IPS screen, which means multi-angle view. Still same color. Okay, Android player. Go to setting, turn on player Wi-Fi, connect phone hotspot for internet. Go to setting, setting number 2. Okay, about car, Android version 7.1, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage. This is 2019 March version. Okay, player model code CG-01082-IPS. So it's IPS screen and 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen. It's got a curved screen. Let me show you for the Canbus. Full menu. Go to setting. Factory setting 8317. Okay, so you have to choose for the automotive type. For Honda CR-V 2016 version, so choose for the simple soft, Honda CR-V 2015 and high version. This is setting for Cogoo Android Plus. Okay, got a Bluetooth function, pairing with your phone Bluetooth and Bluetooth music. You can share your phone music to car player. Radio. So the steering control. Steering control is setting by Canbus. Equalizer, 10-band equalizer. Choose a preset. Okay, it's got a video input and video output. Cloud TV APK download from web page. Google Play Store download app. Okay, this player no DVD, no SD card, but it's come with 2 USB slots. Normally we've got a USB extension we'll put in the drawer, but for Honda CR-V it's got a USB extension, USB cable connection. So we'll connect with the original USB slot. So vehicle info, this is shown by Canbus. So nighttime driving, turn off the screen, press anyway, turn it on. Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or clear all. Okay, so this is Cogoo Android Plus series, CG-01082-IPS, 2GB RAM with 16GB storage, IPS screen and 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen with OEM casing, special big screen casing, and OEM Canbus socket plug and play. Canbus code HD01. Okay, installed by 1bis. Thank you.